Hello, hello, hello. Happy Friday, everyone. Guess where I'm at? Well, it's in the title. Duh. I'm at Creations Market at Old Town Spring with Tracy. She's not going to talk today because she's feeling under the weather. But I don't know. We could get her to talk in a minute. But anyway, all of my stuff is here. I have some really, really cool stuff that you can come get. My dog soaps if you're looking for something to wash your dirty dog with. We have Off the Rails and Tripping Out and Be Near Me, which is going to be perfect for this weekend because in Old Town Spring, it is the Crawfish Festival this weekend. So when you're coming out here and eating all that crawfish and your hands start to not smell so good, come on over to Creations Market, get some Be Near Me. Hey, Jessica. And be able to clean your hands where it won't stink anymore, anything like that. But also in the shop, which is really, really good, is that she has really, really neat gifts and everything else that are in here. We have clothes and aprons and, oh, where'd they go? Wine purses. You have to get wine purses. It'll hold 2 bottles of wine, so you can kind of tote it around and no one will ever know that you're sipping and having a jolly good time. But she has all the mugs, everything here. We also have stained glass and cute hats, jewelry, Mystic Lady and Ballerina dolls. Just neat stuff. It's always fun to come in here and see what she has. We have the candles, also by Brandy, which is really, really good. And then these really cool eye-popping cards, handmade cards, and jewelry with the Dazzle Me earrings by design with Sarah, who is sitting over here. Hi, Sarah. She makes all of this. So it's really fun and neat. And you got to come check it out because she's always playing music. It's always a good time. She also does workshops.
Yeah, the music's on outside.
It's all right. We still have a dance party in here. So anyway, come on out this weekend. Have fun. Check out her workshops. She has a Facebook page, Instagram, website. It's all good. And I'll see you later. Bye.